Hi, I'm Nick at Frisella Nursery. We've gotten a lot of questions about deer-resistant plants and how to keep deer away from your garden. So I have a couple interesting things here. We have Abelia, Weigela, and Deutzia, and also Spire, all very low-growing shrubs, super showy. They're all going to deter deer. They're either super fragrant or they're just not very tasty to deer. We have Boxwoods. Everybody has a Boxwood. They do kind of whatever they want, or whatever you want them to be. Super rough leaf, and you can kind of put those or maybe a grass like this one. This one's Cheyenne Sky, just kind of around your garden, and it'll kind of deter those deer out of the garden that you want to keep safe. I have some perennials here. This one is a Missouri native blue flag iris, one of my personal favorites. It just gets a really nice flower. Yarrow here, super rough leaf, deer hate that, and it gets a nice showy deep yellow flower. We also have milkweed, that's deer resistant as well. And then a couple of shrubs that I think would be great. Holly, super rough leaf, they're not going to like something like that. We have Viburnums, Sweetspire, Lilacs. Lilacs are super fragrant, so they're going to stay away from that, and they're going to smell it for a while, so they'll be keeping away. We also have Elderberry, one of my personal favorite varieties. It's just really interesting, and they do well in wet soil, dry soil, all kinds of things. Another favorite that's really popular in the garden center is a big leaf hydrangea. They come in all kinds of shapes and colors, and just overall a great shrub. This has been Nick at Frisella Nursery. If you have any questions, just give us a call and check out our website.